Oh, hello everyone. Hey everyone, I'm just playing with my little dog Chico. Isn't he cute? But today we're talking about a book called Harry the Dirty Dog by Jean Zion. It's about a dog named Harry who really hates something. Can you guess what it is? It's bath time. Do you like bath time, Chico? Aww. Harry doesn't like baths, so he buries the scrubbing brush in the backyard and runs away. What do you think happens next? Harry goes on a big adventure, getting into all sorts of trouble. He rolls in the mud, plays at the smoky train station, crawls under a coal truck, and even gets covered in tar. He gets so dirty that he turns from a white dog with black spots into a black dog with white spots. But, when Harry decides he wants to go home, his family doesn't recognize him. Why? Because he's so dirty, he looks like a totally different dog. Poor Harry tries everything to show them it's him. He even does his favourite tricks. Finally, Harry has an idea. He digs up his scrubbing brush and hops in the tub. His family gives him a bath. And guess what? They recognise him. Harry decides maybe baths aren't so bad after all. So what do you think? Would you recognise your pet if they were completely covered in dirt? Imagine if your cat looked like a raccoon or your dog turned into a zebra. Would you still know it was them? Harry's story teaches us that sometimes we might not like doing things like taking baths, but they can actually be really helpful. Plus, being clean feels pretty good. So next time someone says, "Time for a bath," remember Harry and his muddy adventures, and maybe don't bury the scrubbing brush in the backyard. That's the story of Harry, the dirty dog. What did you like most about it? Say goodbye, Chico. Hey. Aww.